Everyone, welcome back to the CEO's channel. Guess what? Before I tell you what's in my mind, happy new month. I'm going to be oh my god, this new paying app. This app is super amazing. It's a website, and I've cashed out from this app so many times. And I say no, I must let my community know about this app so they can about this website so they can also cash out. When I say cash out, this website pays every Monday, Wednesday, every Friday. I'll be showing you my proofs, dropping it right here. So you'll be seeing the payments. So if you want to also cash out, then just go to the comment section or go to my description button, click on that link, register immediately and start cashing out. All right, guys, the website I'm talking about, I'll be disclosing it. Just make sure you watch the video to the end because I'll be using my phone to show you a screen record on how it works. Actually, let me just quickly say a brief way on how it works here. What they do is they give you every day you log in 20 naira bonus. Yes, for just logging in. Not just that, you just do three adverts. You're going to do just three work, yes, on the website, and you cash out. Not just that, when you refer someone you get 4,000 naira. You heard me right. So just imagine you referring two persons, you automatically get 8,000 naira. And the beautiful thing about this website is they pay you without a charge. Yes, you cash out without a charge. So if you think this is something is that amazes you, make sure you watch to the end because this website is amazing. This is a new website. This website is cool. This website is cool. I'll be using my screen record to show you how this website really works, and I'll also be dropping my receipts so you will see that I'm not lying. It's a legit and genuine way of cashing out, guys. And if you've not liked this video, please do well to like this video. If you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just hit that subscribe button and join this billionaire family. All right, guys. Also, I also have a very big pre-order bulk group where we buy together, ship together. Waybill is affordable. So if you're also interested in joining our pre-order bulk group, there's also a link on the comment section or description section. Just click on it and come right there because this 2024, no Gree for Sapa. Yes, so no Gree at all. We must cash out. We must make money this year, 2024. So join the family and get our amazing tips daily. All right, guys, let's use our screen record to show you how it works.
Based on popular demand, making this video to tell you guys how VistaLog works. Yes, VistaLog pays its own members with or without referral. Coming to the non-referral part, if you feel like you don't want to refer on the platform, once you register with your one-time registration of 5,000 naira, you are being given 3,000 naira free welcome bonus on your dashboard. So every day you make 800 naira on the platform without doing anything. You log into that platform. Every time you will log into that platform, you earn free 200 naira. And every time you share that Vista and advert post, you earn free 600. That's a total of 800 naira. That's if you feel like you don't want to refer on the platform and you want to be non-affiliate. If you feel like you want to refer on this platform, it's still okay. You can be doing the referral part and the non-referral part. Anybody you bring to this platform, you earn 4,000 naira. And yes, cash out is every week, Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. And those people who choose not to refer, they only cash out on the 25th of every month once their money is up to 25k. VistaLog, my 5k ritual.
All right, guys, you can see the payments list, payment, Vista log. You can see it, Vista log. So what I'm telling you is 100% legit. What are you waiting for, guys? Cash out. No brief for Sapa. Oh. Jenny CEO, don't bring better come. Cash out. Look at it, Vista log. Can you see the website? So it's not true. Look at 28 to 2024. Vista log all the way. Click on that link and register now. What are you waiting for? Be fast and hop in.